So today we're going to go on with present perfect continuous and of course the present perfect. Now these two are closely related in the sense that although we are saying the present perfect looks at the present time, we just look at present time only. How is it now? Is it complete or not complete? How is the situation now? But on the other hand, the present perfect continuous does not only look at now. It goes back from the time it started and continues up to the present time. So present perfect continuous really looks at the activity from the beginning there, from the time it began up to now. It's a continuous process from that time up to now. But present perfect looks at only how is it now? Have you finished or you've not finished? How is it now? Has it come or it hasn't come? Only that. It doesn't look at the starting point where things started. No. It looks at the present time only, whether the thing is completed or no, or not completed. So to highlight these two different, to get the differences clearly, there are two pictures here. There are two pictures. There's a picture of a lady here called Kate. You see, look at the first one there. Compare these two situations. Look at Kate. Kate says, I have been painting my bedroom. That is true. That is what she has been doing. But is it really complete? Not yet complete. So we'll realize that in present perfect continuous, it is more of the activity. What is it that has been going on? It's not really interested in the completion, that it is complete or not complete. It looks at what you have been doing only. You can say I've been working, but the question is, have you finished the work? Not yet. Maybe you've done finished or not yet finished. The thing is not about the completion or not the completion. It is about what is it that has been going on. So like this lady, look, there is paint on Kate's clothes. She has been painting her bedroom. Yes. So we're not interested whether she has finished or not. No. It is only the activity. What is it that she has been doing or she has been painting? Only that. So has been painting, of course, is the present perfect continuous. So very importantly now is the issue of what is it? We are thinking of the activity. So in present perfect continuous, it's more of the activity that we are looking. What is it that has been going on? It doesn't matter whether it has been finished or not. Whether it's finished or not, that's not the issue. The thing is, this is what has been going on from that time up to now. Whether it is finished or not finished, it doesn't matter. So in this case, the activity is what? The painting of the bedroom. So you see, has not been finished, you see, but she has been painting. She has been painting, yes, that's the activity. On the other hand, this lady says, I have painted. This is not the present perfect, simple. I have painted my bedroom. So when you hear I have painted, we are not really concerned about the activity, like it started when and continued and up to now. No. That is not the issue here. The issue is it complete or is it not complete? So when she says I have painted, we are looking at something that is complete as we are talking. So has painted is the present perfect simple. Here, the important thing is that something has been finished. Yes. So present perfect is only interested about the completion. Have you come? Have you done it? Yes, I have come. I have done. I have read. I have finished. You see? The thing is about the completion. It is the completion of the action. She has painted is a completed action. We are thinking about the results, the end of it. Yeah, the end of it. The end of the activity, not the activity itself. So this other one looks at the activity. What is it that has been going on? But this other one looks at the results, the completed activity. So managers, good managers like using the second one. A manager will come and say, what have you done today? So you say, I've sent mails. I have sent 3 emails. I have called 10 customers. I have served 10 clients. Is that? Those are things that you've completed. actions. But the other one, when you say have been working, maybe you're even on phone and you're saying I've been working. We don't really see the tangible output that you produced. You only say have been working. Have been working here. Yes, you've been working. What is that you have done? So when you say I have done this and this, that means those things are complete. So present perfect is very good because it looks at the completed actions only. But present perfect continuous tells me only the activity in the past that was going on. Okay? Yes. So when I say have been working, it's possible there's nothing in the show that shows that I have been working. But I tell you, I have been working since morning, which is true. People who went to the office today will tell you that they have been working since morning. But maybe if you ask them, what is it that you have done? What is it that you have done? Finished. Maybe there's nothing they'll tell you. So remember, present perfect looks at the completed actions. Present perfect continuous is more of the activity. What is this activity that has been going on? What is it that has been going on? It's not more about the action which is completed. It's about what is this action that has been going on, whether it is complete or not. Like we saw last time, it can either be complete in the present time now, or it could be still be going on. So we don't really know about the completion. We're not bothered about the completion of the action. It is, what is the action? What is this action? I have been painting. Oh, okay. So nobody knows. When you say I have been painting, nobody will know if the action is complete or not. Yeah. Maybe you're halfway. Maybe you'll finish tomorrow, but you have been painting. Yeah. All of you have been learning English. Is it complete? No. When you say somebody has been learning, it looks at the action that he's doing. But when you say someone has learned, meaning completed. Now compare these examples. My hands are very dirty. I have been repairing my bike. So when you say I have been repairing my bike, nobody here knows whether the bike is now ready. But what we know here is that you have been repairing. That's the activity that you have been doing. Your hands are very dirty. But no one for sure knows whether your bicycle is ready, is okay or not. But if I use the present perfect, look, my bike is okay now. I have repaired. So when you say I have repaired, it means it's complete. We know that it's complete. Now, Joe has been eating too much recently. He should eat less. So has been eating is from that time, maybe from last year up to now. Yeah, he has been eating too much. Somebody has eaten all the chocolates. So as I'm talking now, there's no chocolates. Complete. No chocolate in one. No chocolate. So it's complete. Completely zero. It's nothing. The box is empty. It's nice to see you again. What have you been doing since we last met? See, what have you been doing from that time up to now? What have you been doing? But this other one, where is the book I gave you? What have you done? What have you done with it? Only now. Where have you been? Have you been telling tennis? Have you been playing? Have you ever played? Yeah, so you see that the difference is small. This one looks at the activity. When you say we have been, have you been playing? It's the activity. Here, have you ever played? Completed. You know, played is finished. Yeah, so remember to note those differences. Now, so when do we use which one now? When do you use which? So we use the continuous to say how long. So if my interest is more about the duration, how long has this thing been going on from that time up to what time? So the continuous is possible. So we use the continuous to say how long for something that is still happening now. So you can use to measure the length of time. How long have you been working here? How long have you been staying? How long have you lived? You know, it gives now the length of time that this thing has taken from that time. Of course, it comes until now, up to now. How long have you been reading that book? Yeah, it's not only now. Am is writing emails. She has been writing emails all morning. She has been writing. So from that time up to now, maybe. I'm learning Arabic, but I haven't been learning it very long. Yes, I have not been learning very long. So it means you started. What about the present perfect only? Not the present perfect continuous. So use the simple to say how much, how many, or how many times, you know, completed actions. How many pages of that book have you read? Not the whole book, but how many have you completed? So present perfect is more how many are completed? I have read 10 books this week. So from Monday up to now, total is how many books? 10 books. 10 books. Ami has sent lots of emails this morning. You see, Ami has sent lots of emails. They have played tennis 3 times this week. You see, they have played. Completed action, isn't it? Yeah, they have played. So that it means they completed Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday, for example. Yeah. They have played tennis 3 times this week. I'm learning Arabic, but I haven't learned very much. Okay. But I have not learned very much. I have not learned very much. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I've always been telling you that in English, there are some verbs that don't go with the ing. One is this one called no. Another one, you'll find another one called maybe understand, and others like that. We saw in unit 4. So for these ones, we don't put in continuous form, are not normally used in continuous forms. We don't use it in continuous form. So what do? You see, I have known about the problem for a long time. You see, I have known. Don't say I have been knowing. How long have you had that camera? Not how long have you been having. We'll come and see that with 17 that have has different meanings. Eh? So how long have you had? How long have you had that camera? Not how long have you been having. So the warning is coming now here. Unit 4, of course, you'll find that list. For have, you'll find unit 17, which I think we're going to do that later. But note that you can use want and mean in present perfect continuous. Eh? And when I say want, it means planning. I have been wanting to call you. Also, I have been meaning to call you. When you say I have been meaning, it's like plan. I have been meaning, I have been planning to do what? To phone Anna, but I keep forgetting. So that is the key thing. So let me see whether you have a problem. In case you have an issue, then you can ask.